Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem. Check battery health percentage and charging cycles in settings to know if replacement is needed. Once done, gather tools, small screwdriver, plastic pry tools, an ESD strap, and the exact replacement battery. Make sure to back up your data and power the phone off. Now remove the SIM tray and any case. Proceed to unscrew only the shown screws and gently pry the back, keeping track of each fastener so reassembly is straightforward. With the rear removed, identify and disconnect the battery connector first to cut power. This prevents short circuits while you work. Next, use a plastic spudger to lift adhesive tabs slowly, prying evenly along edges and applying a little isopropyl to soften glue if needed. Work in 1 to 2 minute controlled bursts to avoid bending the pack. Keep metal tools away from contacts, and if adhesive resists, warm the panel lightly. Then lift the old battery straight out, without twisting to avoid damage. Install the replacement by seating it firmly, reconnecting the battery connector, and replacing shielding and screws to the manufacturer's torque where possible. Once assembled, charge to 100% uninterrupted, then calibrate by letting it discharge to near zero and charging again to teach the meter. Make sure settings show improved health. If the phone won't boot or behaves oddly, immediately power down and reseat all flex connectors. If that fails, try swapping back the original battery, briefly, to isolate whether the new pack or a connector issue is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.